Hey guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Honda Riders. He messaged me and shared his footage with me showing that he has reached the max rank in Black Ops 4 Zombies, which is rank 1000. I believe he's like the third or fourth person to reach 1000. There's been a few people in the last couple of days that are starting to reach this rank. He sent me footage showing what it took to get that rank and the things that you earn when you get there so that I could show you guys. I'll show you guys his stats page right after he reached that rank. So it took him 14 days played and almost 1.5 million kills and 134 games played. As far as rewards and unlocks that he got, he received a Dark Ops calling card that rewarded him when he had gotten 1 million kills, and he got that probably around rank 750, but that was it in the higher ranks. He did get another calling card called Dodgy Devil, and that's just surviving to wave 20 without taking any hits. Of course, along with this rank 1000, you have every weapon, every elixir, and every perk now available to you, and it's never going to be locked again. A feature that becomes available to you when you reach Master Prestige is this custom prestige icon section. That little option is going to pop up once you hit Master Prestige, and then you're going to see all these different emblems that you can put on. These icons unlock as you rank up from Master Prestige to 1000, and I'll show you guys how they're actually earned. If you guys have played the past Zombies games, then you'll recognize a lot of these icons. These are from the previous Prestiges from the other Black Ops. After you master Prestige and before you get to rank 1000, these are going to be locked, and at that time you can see what rank is needed to be able to access them, and I'll show you guys what those are. Once you master Prestige and reach rank 100, you're going to have 3 of them unlock. Then when you get to 200, 3 more of them will unlock, and then the same for 300, 400, 500. Each time you reach the next 100, you're going to get 3 more available icons. There's 43 total, including the 11 that you get from Master Prestige, and one of the most popular ones is probably the shotgun with blue eyes. It takes rank 800 to have that unlocked. This is definitely a nice addition to Black Ops 4, and everybody loves shotguns with blue eyes, and it looks really cool in game. I'll show you what rank 1000 with shotguns in lobby looks like. It's pretty crazy looking, but first I want to show you guys how much plasma you'll actually earn when you get to rank 1000. So through all of his games, he had earned about 7,500 plasma. He said that he spent about 1,000 and he was left with 6,600. So yeah, that's gonna put him a little over 7,500, and that's what you could probably expect to have earned when you do reach max rank. As far as any extra calling cards earned when reaching rank 1000, there weren't any. It stopped after Master Prestige. You get 10 when you go from 1 to 10, and then you'll get one for Master Prestige, and it looks like an Illuminati group. You can see the torches there. It's animated, looks really nice. So I'm kind of surprised that when he reached rank 1000, he didn't get anything special. No special calling cards, nothing. He got access to the 43 icons, and that's it. During the game that he reached rank 1000, he blue screened, so he didn't get to see the rewards page, but nothing looks different or special from what he can tell. He did notice in game when he paused that he has no more XP bar, so that's completely gone. It's not like on the screen completely full and all glitched out with like a bunch of negative million numbers or anything. In the lobby, when he's loading into the game, he can see his custom icon, that's the shotguns, but in game it doesn't show up. Something's glitched with it right now. And also the 1000 is vertical and it looks really funny, and the further you get away from him, the bigger it gets, and it's pretty noticeable. He says he has a hard time getting into public matches because people freak out and think he's a hacker and they back out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!